Phishing is one of the biggest threats to your business's cybersecurity. It's where criminals send an email pretending to be someone else, such as a key supplier or your bank. They're trying to get someone to click a bad link. This can install malicious software, or worse, let them into your network to prepare a ransomware attack, where your data's encrypted until you pay for its return. 3.4 billion phishing emails are sent every day, and 75% of businesses across the globe have experienced a phishing attack. Could any of your staff be fooled by a phishing email? You can find out by doing a phishing simulation. There are lots of services that let you do this. You create a realistic-looking email which could be from you, a supplier, or from another source that your employees trust. Of course, it's actually a fake, with small clues that some employees will spot. You'll see who marked it as spam and who was fooled by it and clicked the link. This isn't about embarrassing or punishing your team. It's about identifying whether you need to give everyone more cybersecurity training. Software can only protect you to a certain level. Your people are your first line of defense against phishing attacks, and they need regular training to keep them effective. We can help you assess your defenses and train your team to protect your business. The training's fun and not expensive. Let's talk.